I built a really simple cryptocurrency voice bot with Python. I'll show you how to build one.
Are you interested in Bitcoin or Ethereum?
Ethereum.
Price in dollars for Ethereum is 1326.6.
We need to pip install speech recognition, which captures the voice input and converts it to text. GTTS, Google's text-to-speech. We use this to convert text to an MP3 file. Play sound is used to play the MP3, and requests is used to make REST calls to get the Bitcoin prices. When you import the packages, you import speech recognition as SR and build a bot listen function. The bot listen function uses the speech recognition, creating a listener from the recognizer class. The listener then uses speech recognizer microphone to capture the voice input. Finally, it calls recognize Google function to convert the sound to text, and then we return the text. We also need to build a bot talk function. It uses language English and converts the text using Google's text-to-speech, converting it to a speech.mp3 file. It's then played by play sound. RunBot is a main function which you call trigger the bot. Infinite loop. Initially it asks you whether you're interested in Bitcoin or Ethereum. It uses the bot listen function to capture your choice. Here you can see an if statement checking whether ETH is in the input, which has been converted to lowercase. If it is, it builds a response by calling a get Ethereum price function. Otherwise, it will build a response by calling the get Bitcoin price function. We then use the bot talk function for the bot to read out the response. The bot then asks you whether you would like another price, yes or no. You use bot listen to capture the spoken user input, and if the answer is no, the bot says goodbye and finishes. Otherwise, it will continue asking you whether you would like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Here's the get Bitcoin price. It uses request to make a REST call to request in US dollars the Bitcoin price. It then passes a JSON returning Bitcoin in US dollars. The get Bitcoin price uses the CoinGecko API. The get Ethereum price function works in a similar way. Calling the CoinGecko REST API, passes a JSON and returns the Ethereum price in US dollars. If you want to download the code, go to Tech Idea Factory website and visit the page lessons.